Hello friends. Okay, welcome. Yes, our point is preparation of organic halide by different methods. Okay. There are three main methods involved in which organic halides are formed. We can prepare organic halide from alcohol. Second one, we can prepare organic halide from hydrocarbon. Third one, substitution of halogen by other halogen. LHS, left hand side. Okay. We have already completed the methods to prepare organic halide from alcohol, SRLPT. Now, our next point is how we can prepare organic halide from hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon means the compound which is consist of only two types of element, that is hydrogen and carbon. That's why they are known as a hydrocarbon. There are three types of hydrocarbon which are used to prepare organic halide. First one, alkane, arene and alkene. ARE. Okay. A for alkane का A ले लिए, बोल्ड अल्फाबेट ले लो, ARE. Yes. आज हम लेते हैं how can we prepare organic halide from alkane and alkene. Alkane, organic compound in which, this is one type of hydrocarbon compound in which each carbon atom is sp3 hybridized. Otherwise, you can say the hydrocarbon compound in which each carbon atom is surrounded by 4 sigma bond. Since sigma bond is very strong bond, that's why these compounds, otherwise alkane compounds are not ready to do any type of reaction. But under control condition, if we use catalyst, at that time they are ready to give the reaction. That's why, yes, this is methane, ethane, propane. Yes, addition of chlorine to alkane compound is known as a chlorination. This reaction always carried out in presence of UV light. H mu is indicate presence of UV light. It will act as catalyst. Now, what is the mechanism? Yes, CH4 means CH3, one hydrogen separate से लिखो, Cl2 के साथ reaction करेगा. HCl will remove as a byproduct. Yes, during the reaction, HCl will remove and finally CH3, carbon of CH3 will directly attach with chlorine. Methyl chloride, otherwise you can say chloromethane. Chlorination of ethane. During this reaction, CH3 single bond CH3. This is ethane. One hydrogen separate से indicate करो Cl2 का one Cl will combine with hydrogen and HCl will remove. One valency of carbon is to be satisfied by this chlorine atom. So CH3 single bond CH2 single bond Cl. Yes. Ethyl chloride, otherwise you can say chloroethane. Okay. Next one, CH3 single bond CH2 single bond CH3. This is the propane. Chlorination of propane in presence of UV light will give two types of product. Yes, reagent will attack on terminal carbon, first carbon, otherwise third carbon. Second possibility is reagent Cl2 will attach on second carbon, a middle carbon. Yes, terminal carbon के साथ ये HCl will remove as a byproduct. This carbon will directly attach to C1 carbon, 1 chloropropane. And second possibility, yes, Cl2 will attack on second carbon, HCl will remove as a byproduct and 2 chloropropane. Proportion of 1 chloropropane in a mixture is 45% and 2 chloropropane is 55%. Why? Here, this is primary carbon. Yes, halogen जिस कार्बन से attachment है, that carbon, it is primary type carbon, this is secondary type carbon. And stability of secondary carbon is more compared to primary carbon. That's why during the chlorination of propane, you will get a mixture of 1 chloropropane and 2 chloropropane. But the proportion of secondary product will be more compared to primary. Second method in which we can prepare organic halide from alkene. Yes, alkene means hydrocarbon compound having double bond between two carbon atoms. Yes, double bond mein one bond will be sigma bond, another will be pi bond. Since we know that the sigma bond is strong compared to pi bond, so pi bond weak hoga. During the reaction, first of all, pi bond will break. So during the reaction of alkene, reagent always attack on double bond. A double bond break हो जाएगा and due to decrease of one valence of each carbon atom, yes, reagent will divide it in two parts. One parts दोनों कार्बन के साथ जुड़ जाएंगे और उसकी टेट्रावैलेंसी प्रॉपर्टी सेटिस्फाई हो जाएगी. This is the general formula of alkene. HX, hydrohaloacid, hydrohalogen. The addition of hydrogen and halogen is known as a hydrohalogenation. And X2, only halogen atom will added. This reaction always carried out in presence of CCl4, carbon tetrachloride. Now you see, यदि X2, ये pi bond will break, one halogen will attach with C1, second halogen will attach with C2. The dihaloalkane will be our main product. Okay. But during the hydrohalogenation, yes, there are two possibilities. Hydrogen, yes, pi bond break हो जाएगा. And to satisfy the tetravalence property of both C1 and C2, HX will divide it into part. Hydrogen will attach on first carbon, halogen will attach on second carbon. Second possibility, halogen will attach with C1 and hydrogen will attach with C2. These both are same, monohaloalkane. Now, we'll take some illustration. This is the CH2 double bond CH2, ethene. It is the symmetrical alkene. CH3 single bond CH double bond CH2. Prop 1 in. Otherwise you can say propene. This is the asymmetric alkene. In symmetric alkene, देखो, during the hydrohalogenation, if hydrogen attach with C1 and halogen will attach with C2, you will get this product, ethyl chloride. Second possibility, if hydrogen attach on C2 and Cl attach with C1, this is also ethyl chloride. After giving 180-degree rotation, this product will convert in this one. इसको rotation करेंगे ये बनेगा. And yes, chlorination of ethene, okay, in presence of CCl4, one pi bond will break, and due to cleavage of pi bond, yes, one valency of both carbon will decrease, so ये chlorine will divide it in two parts, both chlorine atom will attach with C1 and C2. It's 1,2-dichloroethane, otherwise vicinal dihalide. In case of propene, hydrohalogenation, hydrogen attached with C1, Cl attached with C2, at that time 1-chloropropane will be our main product. Second product, if Cl attached with C2 and hydrogen will attach with C1, at that time secondary 2-chloropropane will be our second product. During the chlorination, both chlorine atom will attach on C1 and C2. Our product will be 1,2-dichloropropane. Okay. Now you see, this is the 1-chloropropane primary type है, this carbon is secondary type है, proportion, this stability of secondary carbon is more compared to primary carbon. तो ये हो गया अपना preparation of organic halide from alkene compound. Okay Swara, हम खत्म करें. Yes, thank you. Next time we will see preparation of organic halide from arene. Okay, thank you very much.